Hi guys, my name is Ankita and today I am going to take you through some very important things to consider in this difficult time. Right now, the situation in India is very critical. Coronavirus has not only overtaken the whole world but is also spreading its wing in India. And the number of infected people are increasing every day. And it is advised to be at home with your family and take care of yourself and your family members in this difficult situation. However, if you have to step out, it is advised to wear a mask anywhere you are going to. But due to the excessive requirement of these masks, you can hardly find them online. And if you do so, it's highly expensive. So in this panicky situation, I thought of creating a DIY video on mask as it is easily made at home. So to create a mask, all you need is a cloth bag, a scissor, a needle and thread. And your mask is ready. You know, this virus can actually spread up to 6 feet if a person who is infectious coughs, sneezes, or vapes. Hence, it is very important to maintain some distance whenever you go out and are in public. Few things which is very important is to wash your hand whenever you come back home, to carry a sanitizer and sanitize your hand frequently, to not touch anything at home until and unless you have nicely cleaned yourself. If you have cold, cough, or fever, please go to the doctor right away. I hope this video helps you in creating masks. Please be safe and at home.